Hey everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share a crafty dare project. Our dare for this week was color pencils. It could have been watercolor pencils, it could be markers, you know, flowers and yarn. And I'm like, oh my god. And I was sitting watching TV this morning, and I'm like, I got it. So I used this stamp set from Unity, and I knew I had a bunch of these dolls, and I had to dress her up with some yarn flowers. So this is what I created. So this is going to be a birthday card for my niece this year, and in the background I used, oh shoot, I got this watercolor pencil set from AC Moore when they had a sale, and so I just added it to the background. I stamped this stamp with some Ranger ink, and then I used this yarn to do the little bitty flowers on her hair, and also on her ponytail here, on her braid. And then I added another set of rolled up flowers here, and then I just added a bow, a finger bow. I'm kind of getting in, liking that look of these little strands instead of ribbon, you know, it's really cute. And I added some pearls, and then I added the little tiny pearls. I have like, okay, let me show you. I have a big jar of pearls, and they're all different sizes. I think I got this from Michael's, you know, in their bead section. I just love how this card turned out. So this is watercolor paper, and then I just backed it with some, it's like a cranberry looking cardstock, and it's on cream color heart 110 cardstock. So that, I had to come on and share that with you all. I thought it was a really cute idea. Awesome dare. If you want, you can go to Instagram and do a hashtag CraftyDares, and you'll see everybody else's creations this week. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.